Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a brand new Sea Ray 290 SDX. So SDX is the Sun Deck line models. So this is 290, so 29 feet in length. As you can see, we got a white hull side with a black bottom. Towards the front here, just want to point you out to the windlass anchor. So on a boat like this, really nice to just hit the button, let the anchor go down, hit the button, have it come back up. Take a look at the tower. This is a beautiful Sea Ray tower, manual, so it does go up and down as you need it. Again, 290 SDX, 29 feet in length, massive swim platform on the back. You spend a lot of time back here hanging out with friends. You got a ladder back here to get you back on the boat. And then if you're just hanging out again, you can lift this. And once the drive is all the way down, this will come all the way down into the water. You can stand on it, you can sit here. Couple different options. So, and then as you can see, you got the nice sea deck on here. Gets wet, it dries really quickly, feels really good on your feet. A lot of other options on the interior. Let's go take a look inside. All right, welcome to the interior of this 290 SDX. I want to point out the transom here real quick. So you can see you got these really nice lounge seats in the back here. These do pop down if you're underway and you just want to fold them down. Otherwise, you can just leave them up like this. You pull this up, the whole thing kind of comes out if you're a little bit taller of a person. We got cup holders here, a little bit of storage right there. Real nice to hang out back into here. As we walk in, you can see the nice walk through. There is a cooler underneath there that is drainable. We've got the nice entertainment bar right here. We've got a sink and then a little prep area. We do have a nice refrigerator in here as well. Storage all the way around underneath the seats. You got a charger on this boat. This one has the Mercury 6.2 350 horsepower engine, and with the Bravo 3, so around docks and lifts and then getting up on plane really helps with those twin props. Like I mentioned before, we can see the nice tower. It does have a tow point up top and then an integrated bimini with it as well. We've got the nice seats that sit here. You can easily pull this back, face that way. Same with this, pull it back, face the opposite way. We do have bolster seats on both sides. And then I'll point out here the helm area. So nice, easy to use helm area. We got the 12-inch Simrad system, all touchscreen. We've got the Fusion stereo. This is an upgraded stereo system, so nicer speakers. We got a subwoofer and then another Fusion stereo right here. Be able to touch this as well and then integrate it with your phones depending on who's in the boat and who wants to use it. Do want to point out the head. So nice, very nicely appointed head with the vacuum flush system. Really nice there. So as we come through the walk through here, we got some storage there. We got a wind dam right here. Got some more storage in the floor. And then the SDX is that sun deck look. So it's huge in the bow of this boat. You could fit up to 3, 4, 5 people up here if you needed to. There's storage underneath here. They can also be used as coolers underneath these seats. They are drainable, so you could throw ice in there if you'd like. But again, beautiful bow. Again, windlass anchor. This is a 290 SDX, so sun deck. Bring all your friends. This thing is yacht certified. It's a great boat. It is here at our Rogers location. So if you want to take a peek at it, give us a call to set up an appointment or just stop on by in our Rogers location. We'd love to show it to you. Thanks. Have a great day.